Hey Chris, I figured I'd just take a video of the case. I don't know what to look for in the case. I know that I had a bad engine case and it was real grooved back in here. And this is all smooth, all the where the crank would sit is, it's not real grooved in there at all. Other than that, I really can't, let me try to get some different angles on it. Really can't tell you much about it. It is missing one of the cylinder studs. I don't know if these other ones are any good anyways, they're kind of rusty. But it looks like at some point in time they must have boiled it or whatever they do to clean it, because I mean there's no oil or anything on it. There's a close-up of the numbers. Cobwebs all over here if you're seeing those in the video. Here's the other side. Looks like there's some number right there. A little brass. I don't know what that is. A couple more things missing. Oil pickup. Looks like there's another stud missing up here. I don't know. I mean, it looks really clean to me. But again, I have no idea what I'm looking for. There it is all together for you. I'll tell you what I'm thinking though. How about you pay for shipping? If it is good, once you get it, have your guy check it out. You give me 25 bucks more. If it's no good, just throw it away and you eat the shipping cost. But I guess let me know your thoughts. Alright.